Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nashley. Today we are going to be tackling a kind of DIY sensory table. I'm not necessarily building a table, I already have a table. If you're interested in making a sensory table out of a table that you already have and not spend any more money, then this is the video for you. Keep on watching. I have outlined where the boxes are going to go on this table, and so I'm starting with my power drill, and I'm just using this to create a hole in the center so that it's easier when I go in with my jigsaw. Okay, I'm going to show you what's happening here. So my husband put a support on the bottom of this table. So there's the holes. However, it can't get through whatever that board is on the bottom. Okay, don't laugh at my drill. I don't know how to attach this to here, so that's what I did. It's working well. Found it. As you can see, it is much easier to go in with my jigsaw power tool after creating the hole with the power drill. And all I'm doing is going with what I have drawn out already, just so that my boxes can fit in here. This is joint compound. I thought I was going to be able to fill in all of these spots, but as you can see, it is not going to work out. Okay, so I think I'm not gonna do that because that is crazy. It's literally going to take like 1,000 of those bins. There's a hair there. Like 1,000 of those bins to fill this in. So now I'm thinking, yeah, no. I'm just gonna leave it. And then we'll have a sensory table. This is very easy. If you wanted to go more crazy, making it more perfect, you probably could do this. But it's gonna take a lot, and I don't have that much left, and I still have this and that to cover. And I'm trying not to spend any money doing this because why? Why though? Okay, I'll see you later. Here's the finished table. It is dirty. My kids play with it a whole lot with a lot of sensory, messy play as intended. And so this is one of the activities that they love. These are chia seeds that I have soaked for about 30 minutes out on room temperature. I did add some green dye to it. caution, it is very messy. It will get in the clothes, so all you have to do is wash it out. But they absolutely love playing and making a mess, and I love that. It is edible if they choose to put it in their mouth. It's going to be okay. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few things on how to create a sensory table out of a table that you already have or might have lying around or might find out on the side of the road and not spend that much money. I'm filming this outro months later and the girls are loving the table still. They like it and I'm not interested in spending $100 on a sensory table, so this is what it is. It was super easy. You could definitely finish it off nicer if you wanted to. You can cover the open cells on the inside. You can paint it different colors. You can do whatever you want. I just chose to leave it as is and it works just fine. Not to mention that my kids have a great time while they're using it, which is what's most important. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful and helpful. And if you did, please give my video a thumbs up. It helps me out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell notification to be notified when I post another video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.